Hi everyone, and thanks for checking out my channel. I'm going to have a look now at the coffee market, see how we go here and what happened over the past few days and weeks, and see what could be happening in the coming weeks. So I'm still following the scenario that we are accumulating under 124, 124.5 as we reached recently, with some sort of a double top. Now what's been positive so far is that if we look at the range that we're trading in for now almost a month, it's been quite tight. It's minus 6% here, and usually on that kind of figure, when we're having a very large reversal pattern like this with the cup that's actually making quite a shallow move, that we can expect at least 50% retracement from the top. That would have actually brought us to 113, but still we're holding a level that's actually quite tighter against that resistance line. So which is the reason why I believe we're going to see a breakout very soon that could actually take us very high, taking that cup height recently here, and then we move potentially above 145. So of course this is not done yet. We need to see that break happening. We're having some sort of a new compression line here. The previous one got invalidated, so that pattern was looking something like this, but that was probably not mature enough. It did actually break to the downside, but again we made a triple bottom at 116, which I think is very positive. That level now is very solid, and we can start, if not done yet, build a much bigger long position with a short stop loss, that's actually sitting not too far away. So we also having the RSI trend line, that's still a divergence trend line back mid-September. That's still actually holding the price quite nicely. So we see a few touches here. Of course that one was important, it was one of the first to confirm the divergence, but still we're having another one there, and more recently we bounced on that trend line again. So I think that's very solid construction we are having here, and in terms of the breakout, that could actually happen next week if we can actually see some more compression. If we drop to the 1 hour, we can see just remove this. We can see that this is compressing quite nicely. The previous one we got was between 117 and 120. That's about 3 cents. That's usually the sort of compression that's actually coming just before really large moves on coffee. The previous one we had was back early November between 102 and 106, so it was 4 cents. So we're pretty much reaching that level here. So potentially what I see for next week is a little bit some shallow retracement, potentially to 118 if it's pushing really strong, and then we're going to start to potentially retest the 124. And if we can see some really nice compression here, I think the last one here would actually lead to a proper breakout. So that one will actually, in my opinion, go really fast to the first target. That's the previous high that could actually cause some resistance. So that's 135. Of course at that level we could actually see some retracement, some profit taking. That was a previous high. We need to watch indicators and see if we don't have any major divergence on something that could actually be considered as a bigger reversal, and it's probably not safer to hold that position. But I believe because of that accumulation and the pattern we are in, we are going to move higher ultimately, and yeah, 145 is definitely in the card. So yeah, next week could be very interesting. Of course we could also see some more accumulation, could even see some more drop back down to 116 and building again for the break to actually happen later on, potentially still this year, or potentially of course to happen next year. We will see this. Keep an eye definitely on that market, because that could be explosive move if we break that 124 level. So that'd be extremely interesting to watch. Check this of course midweek again. Until then, I wish you safe trading, and I speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.